Tangy and versatile with a smoky flavor, today's recipe is roasted tomato chutney made from crisp and garden fresh green tomatoes. Welcome to Beyond Boomy. With a light to dark lime green skin, unripe or raw green tomatoes are extremely firm and mildly juicy. They are also rich in vitamin C, vitamins A and K, and high in fiber. I've taken around 20 small raw green tomatoes. Wash the tomatoes in water. After patting the tomatoes dry, remove the stem and the hard core. Repeat for all the tomatoes and set aside. Heat a clay pot or any thick bottomed pan. Add a tablespoon of any cold pressed oil. Once the oil becomes warm, add 5 to 6 dried red chilies. Keep frying on a medium-low heat until they turn crispy. These are Kashmiri chilies, which are not of the spicy variety but add a lot of color to the dish. Remove when done. Take 5 pods of garlic. I am using garlic with the skin. Fry again on a medium-low heat until they are well roasted. Set aside. To the same pan, add half a tablespoon more of oil. Place all the tomatoes, the stem side down. Cover and cook on a low flame. Do not add water. The tomato will get cooked in its own juice. After 10 minutes, flip the tomatoes. Roasting brings out the flavor of the tomatoes. Cover and cook for 10 more minutes. Open and check. If required, cook for some more time. You can see that the tomatoes are nicely done on both the sides and the skin has started peeling out. Switch off the stove and allow the tomatoes to cool. In the meantime, peel the garlic. You can see how easily the skin comes off now. Add the fried red chilies to a pan. Crush them coarsely. Add the peeled garlic. The garlic is well cooked and will have a nice smoky flavor. Crush and mix with the red chilies. The tomatoes have cooled down now. Using a pair of tongs, remove the skin of the tomatoes. Once done, using a fork, spoon or masher, mash the tomatoes well. Add the mashed tomatoes to the chili garlic mix. Mix well. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of Himalayan rock salt or as required. Add half a teaspoon of jaggery. I am using jaggery in place of sugar. This will enhance the tartness and the smoky flavor of the tomatoes. Add half a cup of finely chopped onions, half a tablespoon of finely chopped green chilies. The spice level can be adjusted according to taste. 1/4 cup of washed and finely chopped coriander leaves and 1 tablespoon of any cold pressed oil. Mix everything well. With a crisp, deep, tangy and smoky flavor, this chutney makes for a versatile side dish. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. I would love to hear from you.